focus on two different elements. One is the content on the ACT, and the other one is test taking strategies like the process of elimination. So, first, you want to make sure you know the content. My suggestion is to get two reputable ACT books, learn all the content, and also try learning the test taking strategies. It's good to know and it's important to know that the ACT is a time test. So, you have 40 seconds or so per question. You want to make sure you work on your strategies to be able to work out the questions as fast as possible. Put aside a reasonable schedule. It could be 15, 20 minutes a day, it could be an hour on a weekend to not only study for the ACT, but also take full length practice test 5 to 6 months before taking the exam.